Ozil, Lacazette and Welbeck linking up. It's a fabulous finish from Lacazette.
Roy. Gets to the top, Roy's worked that well. Aaron Moore! De Bruyne. Oh, belter! Absolute belter from Kevin De Bruyne. There is no stopping that. Mings. Gosling. Decent ball across, which Company has to clear. Good strike from Daniels! What a strike! An absolute thunderbolt! Matic.